Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your Android phone in two different ways. This is something you will do if you're looking to sell, trade in, give away, and you basically want to remove all of your data off the phone. So let's get started. The very first thing you're going to start by doing for the first method is going into your settings app. So let's go ahead into my settings app here. And once you're in your settings app, you're going to go down a little bit further down below under general management, and in the general management we're going to go down a little bit further and click on reset, and then in the reset option we're going to go down a little bit further and we're going to look for an option that says factory data resets. If I tap on that, it's going to go ahead and check a few things and let you know exactly what's getting deleted. So all of this information from your Google account, all the accounts that you have created here are going to get basically signed out and remove. So you can see here, if I do that, it's going to go ahead and do that for me, and that's going to go ahead and delete everything on it. So you can click on reset and then enter your PIN and hit continue, and then finally you'll get one more confirmation before it will get all erased or deleted. So that's going to be method number one. Now let's say you don't have access to this or you can't find it. Another method is entering the recovery mode. So in enter the recovery mode, usually you want to turn off the device. You can usually use from the top here to get to the power menu, or you can use the volume down and side button as well. So we're going to go ahead and start by powering off. So let's go ahead and power off our phone here. So we're going to wait for it to completely power off. Now, for most phones, you're going to use the volume up and the side button to go ahead into the recovery mode. So volume up and side button, you're going to hold at the same time. Some phone might require you volume down and the side button. So for the most Android phone, you're going to do volume up and side button. You're going to hold it together, and you might see the logo of the phone. That's fine. You're going to keep on holding, and we're going to wait until it gets into this recovery mode, as I mentioned. Now, in the recovery mode, you'll see a couple options here, but there is, if you arrow down, option that says wipe data and factory reset, and then you're going to use basically using the volume up and down to navigate, and then to enter, you're going to use your side button and click on it. And once you do that, it's going to go ahead and delete all of your data on your phone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.